Hey, Jeff Luff here from Alternative Heating Supplies. I get a lot of questions, but one of the questions is that I was kind of surprised to get was, what is a wood furnace, or an outdoor wood furnace, or outside wood boiler, or something on that? So I wanted to go back to Wood Furnace 101. And I'm just going to be talking a very quick video on what is an outdoor wood furnace or an outdoor wood boiler, aka. It is basically a unit that sits outside your home or outside your office or your commercial business or industrial, and you're going to throw wood into it, and it has a burn chamber in the center of it, and then it has a water jacket all the way around it, which is controlled by the ETC panel on the side. So it'll keep it up in the ranges of anywhere from 160, 170, 180. And then it's going to pump the water into your heating system or your house or your business. And in my case, this is hooked up to my warehouse. And it's going to distribute the heat with inside the building. Now in this case, this building is 12,000 square feet, and we're heating it all with just this. I used to have propane units heating this building, but it's a much more cost efficient and effective to heat the building with this. And plus it's my business. So that's what I'm going to heat with. So why I think it's better to heat with wood is, first of all, it saves a ton of money. This building alone would have cost me about $18,000 to heat. I have the wood cut and delivered and split right to my location, and it cost me about a third of the expense. All I have to do is load the stove once in the morning and once at night, and that'll keep the building up to temperature all season long. On the long weekends, I might have to pull over on a weekend and come in and feed it, but it heats the building 100% of the time, and it is great. It's just simple and easy. The outdoor wood boilers come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, and all sorts of things. There's different manufacturers, different designs, different thought processes. But what you need to do is you need to find a boiler that makes sense to you. And in my case, I chose the the Woodmaster, and to me it seems like the simplest and best bang for the buck, and it's very simple and good quality product is the other thing. The company is great to work with. Now, they're all different shapes and sizes. Now, this unit is about capable of heating 10 to 12,000 square feet, no problem, and I'm in Connecticut. So you can get much smaller or larger depending on your application. And Jesus, you can get, wow. There's many different sizes of outdoor wood boilers. This is one of the larger ones. This is capable of heating 10 to 12,000 square feet. There's actually a unit by Woodmaster, it's a 4400, and even a 3300 smaller than that. Then there's actually a unit even a step larger than this for 65. Now that's a Woodmaster. There's also Heatmore, Central Boiler, Taylor, Mahoning, and so many different makes and models. Check them out, see which ones you like, but the concept of hooking them up are all fundamentally the same. There's many different makes and models, and I do like them all. Some of them have much better strengths and weaknesses but I like the ones that are the most simplistic, without all the gadgets and stuff on them. Just keep it simple. I like the round barrel design. I like the electronic controllers, and the stainless steel chimney is also very important to me. So there's a lot of good units out there and a lot of good makes and models. Now, the price range of these units can range obviously by the size of them, small, medium, and large, and extra large. But the units like this usually should recoup your investment in 3, maybe 4 years. So example, your fuel bill is $3,000. Times that by 4, that's usually what you're going to spend in an outdoor wood furnace based on your application. So the cost of the outdoor wood furnaces have a big range as well based on the manufacturers and the models and the sizes. But the thing is, you got to find one that makes you happy and a good quality product, a good bang for the buck. Don't shop price, shop bang for the buck. There's some units that are very inexpensive, but you're going to pay for in the long run. So my idea to you, or suggestion to you, is buy a good quality product at a good dollar value and make sure you feel like you've got a good product based on your application. Now, where to buy your outdoor wood boiler? I do recommend strongly that you find one local to you. So find the make and model that you'd like. Try to call up that manufacturer and say find your local dealers next to you. Now, if it's coming to the parts to hooking them up, well, that's kind of what I specialize in. I encourage you all to come to us. The quality of product, the knowledge that we have, and the prices, you probably can't get it better anywhere else. But find a good wood boiler close to you, and hopefully find a good dealer. Now, it's hard to find a dealer that does this full time, but try. okay? Part-time dealers are usually don't stock, they usually don't have the background or the knowledge. So try to find someone who knows what they're talking about and you feel very comfortable with it. You know they're going to be there when you need help or any kind of questions you might have. Thank you, and hope this helps you. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and have a great day.